Greeting and welcome guys. In the last video, we learned about how to create a slider with Layout 1. You can find the link below in the description or click on the card to view that video. In this video, we're gonna show how to change the setting with Layout 1 and publish the slider on the page. Step 1. Log into your website, go to the Slider Factory Pro menu page. Click on the All Slides shortcode button, presented on the right top corner of the Slider Factory page, and then, click on the Edit button of the Layout 1. Go to the Slider Settings section. Now we are able to configure slider settings. Using width setting, you can set width of the slider in pixels or percentage. Using height setting, you can set height of the slider in pixels or percentage. Select the design preset for slider. To use preset design 2 and 3, fade effect should be disabled. Autoplay setting, enable or disable automatic slideshow. Autoplay speed, control the slideshow speed. Enable or disable autoplay on mouse, hover on the slide. Enable or disable infinite loop and scroll feature. Enable or disable the full screen slideshow button on the slider to make the slider full screen. Enable or disable fade effect during slideshow. Adaptive height, enable or disable. Hide or display the thumbnails under the slides. Hide or display next and previous slide navigation arrow button over the slides. Slider navigation arrow, display the navigation arrow over the slider. Slide order by setting, allow to set the loading order of the slides into the slider. Set the slide alignment. Enable or disable right to left. Using custom CSS setting, you can apply own design on slider elements. Click on Update Slider button and go to Created Slider page and refresh the page. Now open the settings section again and change all the settings to the slider. After changing all the settings, click on the Update Slider button. Go to Created Slider page and refresh the page. Thanks for watching the Slider Factory Pro Layout 1 Settings section video documentation. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates. Also, share the video on social platforms with your friends.